Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IK option script special for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next update and next video. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay. And if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, so let's start trading with the script.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.